Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and we're jumping right into today's video because as you can see, I should be ashamed to post this, but this is a cleaning motivational channel and we do here DIY on a very frugal budget as well as some organizations. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope if you like this video that you become part of my family by subscribing and staying in touch with me by leaving comments and chatting with me. I appreciate you being here and I look forward to reading your comments. Let's talk about this dishwasher and why is it this dirty. First of all, because everyone in my house is responsible to wash their own dishes after they finish eating, which leaves you with the minimal amount of dishes at the end of the day. And I just don't feel that I need to turn on the dishwasher every night. So basically, we put all our dishes to drain there, and all this mess that you see on the bottom of it, it's the residue of those dishes. Now, the other reason for it is I feel that the dishwasher doesn't clean the dishes properly. So that's another reason why we don't use it. Now, after I clean this dishwasher, I told my family that from now on we are going to hand wash the dishes and that we're not allowed to use the dishwasher or put anything to drain in there because I am testing to see if we can live without a dishwasher. And yes, you heard that correctly. My kitchen is very small and I would like to take this dishwasher and use that space for storage, plates, make it a pantry, whatever I need to do with that big space. But I just don't think I'm the type of person that will ever feel that I really need to use the dishwasher every single day. Let me know if you hand wash your dishes, or let me know why should I continue to keep it. Leave me a comment below. Friends, you're probably looking at the cabinet where the dishwasher is placed and wondering why is she on YouTube? Like, her kitchen is not aesthetically pleasing at all. And you're absolutely right. But I'm here and I'm hoping that I can be an encouragement to you, just as you are for me, that even if we don't have our dream life, that little by little we could build on it. My plan is to learn how to make my own cabinets, or if I cannot make my own cabinets, try to maybe buy them in the Facebook market or even one day buy them from Home Depot. But right now that's not my financial situation and I'm trying to make the best out of it. And I hope that you feel that with what you have enough. And within that, there's a lot of opportunity. Whatever you're looking at right now, within you, there's opportunity. And this being my 2022 resolution, is that I can do great things with what I have. And no, I'm not a professional. I'm not a professional cleaner. I'm not a professional carpenter. I am here to learn as much as you I imagine you watch YouTube videos to get inspiration and get motivation. I do the same things, and this is why I love this community, because we can connect with each other, and you could be in the other side of the world and we could connect with each other. Again, my house is not aesthetically pleasing, a lot of the places in my home, but I'm hoping that little by little it'll get there. Also, let me tell you about the steam vessel cleaner. Like, I swear by it. I think this is the best thing ever invented, because if you see these little creases right here that I try to like pick out the residue with the little spatula, and then I'm like, why I'm not using the steamer? It literally melted everything away. Like, this steamer, first of all, it's very affordable, and I'm gonna link it down below. But even if you feel like you are not gonna use it to deep clean, I could tell you this steamer also disinfects. So if that it's something that you need, I think it's a great investment. And yes, I cleaned this dishwasher 3 rounds. I had to do 3 rounds, and I put baking soda and vinegar, and I let it sit 20 minutes each. And here you actually see me that I was cleaning it, and never in my life I had taken this piece out. And all of the sudden it looked like I figured it out, and you have no idea how nasty this is. Like, this is disgusting. It's like, it makes me wonder, do I really want to wash dishes ever again in here? But at the end, you'll be surprised. It looks really, really clean, and I'm so proud of it. But if you have a dishwasher, I'm being honest, try to read the manual and see how you could clean this spot right here, because this is where your water comes out of. And if this is nasty, then your whole dishes are gonna have the bacteria and whatever else is coming out of there. Friends, this next song that you are gonna be listening to it right now, this was made by one of my friends. Her name is Michelle Campana. So if you like it, it's called Vibrations. And if you like it, leave me a comment down below so she could read it and feel appreciated. This is her first song that she puts together. She's actually into photography, and she did my daughter's Sweet 16 pictures. And I mean, this girl is so talented. So give her a shout out and leave her a comment. And also, I'm pretty sure you noticed that the rack for the dishes is like in bad shape, and it is. The paint chipped, melted a long time ago, and it doesn't matter how much I clean it, it doesn't come out. But the dishwasher, it's very clean, and I'm very satisfied with the final result. And we're gonna soon be wrapping up this video. I am folding my plastic bags, and I am putting them away. They used to be in the kitchen, and this is the last batch of plastic bags. And here's to the great news, because in the state of New Jersey, starting May 4th, the supermarkets and stores will no longer be allowed to give you a plastic bag. And I think that is amazing. I think that it's awesome that we are recycling and becoming more aware of the damage that we cause to our earth. So I'm excited to be able to share how I fold my plastic bags and store them away, but most excited to know that we're not gonna have to deal with this any longer after May 4th. And I know there's states that they don't use plastic bags at all. And if you are in one of those states, can you please let me know where you're from in the comments down below. And as always, I want to thank you for sticking around and spending your valuable time with me. I hope that you did find the motivation to go ahead and tackle an area in your home. And until our next video, I am sending you virtual hugs, and I pray that you stay safe, and see you on our next video. God bless you. Bye-bye.